Hello everyone, in this video let's continue with our series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5-star. So in this problem I'll be solving the fourth problem exams. So it says in Sheffland there are X schools and each school has Y students. Okay, so we have X schools and there are in each school we have Y students. The year and results are in, and a total of Z students passed in the exam. So number of students who passed the exam are Z. So assuming that all students appear for the exam. So if you see how many number of students will be there are X school and each school has Y students. So X into Y will be the number of students, total number of students. So assuming all students means X star Y appear for the exam. Find whether number of students who passed in Sheffland was strictly greater than 50%. So we'll have to find if the Z value is greater than X star Y by 2. Basically, yeah, 50 greater than 50%. So input format, okay, the first line of input will contain single integer t denoting number of test cases. So let me write number of test cases t minus minus. So this will take care of all the number of test cases, and each test case consists of 3 space separated integers x, y, z as mentioned in the statement. So let's take x, y, z, x, y, z and output format will be yes if number of students passed is greater than 50%. Let's analyze with this example. So x is 2, y is 10, z is 12. So if you see total number of students are 2 into 10, 20, and 50% of 20 is 10, and z is basically number of students passed. So 12 is strictly greater than 10. So we have yes here. Now if you see here, number of students are 2 into 10, 20, and number of passed students are 3, and 2 into 20 is 50% is 10 and 3. So as you can clearly see, in order to print yes, we need to have at least 11 students here in Z. Okay, so we have 3, which means less than 50%. So we are printing no. And if you see here, we have one school, and in one school there are 5 students. So total number of students are 5, and 50% of 5 is basically 2.5. So it has to be, a number of students has to be 3 or greater than 3. So since it is 3, so we are putting as a yes. Now let's see here, 3 into 6. So total number of students are 18, and 50% of 18 is 9, and number of students passed are also 9. So in the question they had given strictly greater than, which means this is also no case. Reason being, it has to be at least 10 or greater than 10. Then only it will be like the condition holds good. Now we have x and y here. So as we know, x star y is the number of students, and if you divide it by 2, that will be 50% of the students. Okay, and that has to be less than number of students z, which means basically past students, which is basically z, has to be strictly greater than 50%. So in that case we need to return yes, else we need to return no. Now let's try to run the code. Yes no, yes no, so it has to be yes no, yes no, yes no, yes no. Now let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got submitted. So we have solved the fourth problem in the series. Okay, tomorrow I'll be continuing with this chef in office. So thank you guys for watching my video.